As I was saying. This air compressor. It's a dry run one, it's not got oil, which I don't really like the dry runs, but prefer them where they got the oil to keep it lubricated. But yeah, I'm just putting these wheels on at the minute, and I've got some wheel trims to go on there, so we're just going to do that at the minute. I don't know if you can see, but there you go, fucking bollocks. 12 for that side. These actually wheels came off a lawnmower. When I got this, it didn't come with any freaking wheels. Would you believe it? It's a bloody 13mm. Yeah. 13, another 12. We'll get a freaking wheel on here at one point. Not bad that. A good clean up. Yeah, it's hardly been used. I did put a bit of pressure in it and it's holding it, so once I've got the wheels on, giving it a good clean, I'll plug it back in and it should shut off when it gets to maximum pressure. And yeah, that's the portable sandblasting unit kit. Gun up there, look. So basically we'll get the pipe on the end of that. I don't really need the sand in there, I can just use, it'll just take the air straight through and straight out of there. All it does is suck in, the air goes flying through, and then that one sucks the sand out the bottom. Wonder where you can get some sand blasting freaking sand from, I don't know. Anyway, we'll get to that in a minute. Right, let's see if we can get these bloody things sorted out. Get some wheels on the wagon, as they say. There you go, that's a 13. I don't know what you do with lawnmower wheels. That should do that, eh? Sorry for moving around the workshop, it's not going to go very far, is it? So, we'll get a wheel trim on there and see what happens with that one. Let's have a look. Got wheel trims here. Right, I go on there like that. Yeah, look at that. Job done. Do it to the side. Anyway, I'll do another video when I've got them to the wheel on and we get it up and running after it's been cleaned and see how much pressure you're going to give me. I'll see thee.